Hi guys, in this episode we're gonna build the UI of activity listing screen. The main component of these screens are the header and a footer and the activity listing. So let's get dive into the code. Let's create a file named activity notification screen.js under screens folder and import the class component boilerplate code. This is available in VS Code extension React Native snippets plugin, and then import the component inside app.js inside screens activity notification and put it inside the view of app.js. Okay, now let's run the code. This is a React Native run Android. Yeah, great. The app is loaded in the debug device. First, we're gonna code the header section of the activity listing screen. Let's import style sheet API from React Native and export a class named styles. We write all our styles within this styles constant style sheet dot create. First, write a class named container with a display flex and flex value of 1. Then reference the container class to the view style equal to styles dot container. Then write a view for header and put a class name of header wrapper. Inside the view, the text element, the title is activity. So activity, header wrapper, give a display of flex, and then give styling to the activity title. Style equal to styles dot header title. Then give a font size of, let's try 16. No, it's too small, so give 18. Yeah, it's perfect. Okay, then we give padding value of 15. Okay, all right. Then we're giving the border for the header, the border color of gray and border width of 1. Okay, now the activity title in the header is finished. Then let's move to the footer section. So we already coded the footer in feed screen and some other pages, so we copying the footer from the feed screen and paste it here, and copy all the corresponding styles and import the icon. Okay, now the footer is visible. And for listing the activity, we are using section list from React Native. So let's check from the React Native documentation for section list. Let's copy the section list. First, import the section list API from React Native. And copy section list. Okay. Then copy the data. Now we are writing a function to return the items in a section list. So we are writing a function called rudder function and passing a parameter item. And write the function definition. Render function receive the argument items, the item, and return the corresponding view. Now we are gonna return a dummy view. Yeah, it's working. Then we have a section list of three types of we have three titles: today, this week, this month. So in the title field we are giving the name of the section. So this is today and this week and this month. The data section, we might have more than one value, so we're giving it as an array, and we create a dummy data to display the view. Inside data we are creating an object. Each object corresponding to an item in the list. Notification type. Notification type means the type of notification we have. Zero means the following users shared some photos. That's the type of notification in activity. And the duration means when the users shared the photos. And mentioned users let's say Roy, Jackson, and Manjula. Okay, we create an object with the correct format. Also one thing, the image of the notification, that is notification image. Let's give a dummy image we have. So require assets, images, face.jpg. Yeah, copy it. Face.jpeg. Okay. Then create the second type of notification. Title is this week. And data is same as today, and copy the same data in third type of activity this month, and we format the data as per the requirement of activity type. Okay, then let's comment to the notification type for a future reference. Okay, next we're gonna Style the section title. Class name is header. Write a header class. And the style properties, font size, let's give 18. And put that section list inside a view. Give a class name, style equal to style start, section list wrapper, padding of 15, display flex, and flex value of 1. Give a font weight for header, let's look better. And we forgot one thing, that is promotions tab just under the activity header. Out here below the header wrapper, write a view to display the promotions tab. View style equal to style start, promotions wrapper, to the style properties of display flex, flex direction of row, inside the view write an icon element and put a name for the icon. Let's check font awesome icons. We want an icon arrow point to top. It's not actually same as Instagram icon, but we are using this for understanding how can we use that icon. So take it as an reference only. Give a size value of 30. And inside the view give the text content. The first line The content title is promotions. In the second line, recent activity from your promotions. Then start the promotions title, style equal to styles dot promotions title. Copy it and give the style properties. Font size, let's give 16, and font weight is bold. Yeah, looks good. Give a margin. Yeah, before that we are aligning the items to center, vertical center. Give a class name to that text container. Promotions content. Let's say wrapper. Promotions content wrapper, and give a margin value of margin left is 10. And the promotions wrapper, give a border, a bottom border with a width of 1 and color of gray. We return the activity message or activity notification from the render function. So depends upon the notification type, the view can be varied. So we need to be differentiate each notification type. For that we are using a conditional statement, else if the notification type is equal to 0, then return a specific view. Likewise, we give notification, we check notification type. If equal to 1, then return another set of view, else we return the last type of view. Let's code it here. If notification type equal to 1, then return the given view, else return this. Okay, as it's working. Give a section item wrapper class for each messages. Display value flags. This is the first type of activity notification. So first we are writing an image tag and source equal to item.image and give a styling to the image tag. Style equal to styles dot user not notification image. Okay, let's copy it. Give a width and height of 50 and width 50. Okay, something went wrong. Let's check. Image is correct. Yeah, it's not the image, it's notification image. Yeah, right. Then give a border radius. Okay, section inside section item wrapper. Place the views in a row. So give a flex direction of row and align all the items vertically center. And write a text. From the users array, join the items in the array. So you can write item dot mentioned users dot join and join the elements with a comma. And write a static text. Yeah, we missed one thing. Number of photos. Item dot number of photos. And the duration. Give a class to the text element of content wrapper. Let's say notification content wrapper, and give class properties display flex and flex value of 1, and wrap the text. So give flex wrap of value wrap. Let's give proper styling for mentioned users. Style equal to styles dot usernames. Give a font weight of value bold. And give proper spacing. Add a photos strings near the number of photos. Give a space. And give margin. It's better to give padding rather than margin, so give a padding value of 15. Now the first activity type is finished. Then copy it and paste second notification type, and change the view as per the design. You can see the second type activity message is different, so change it. For the duration, we're giving a styling. Color of gray. Then we can move to the third type. Title is this month. Paste it here. And change it as per the design. The first user, give a text, and between the first and second user, mentioned users of 1 means first user in the mentioned users array, and we need to add one more user. Okay, now we want to place a button. Name it follow. At the right, and give a styling. class name button, follow button, give a background color of blue, colors dot primary blue, and for the text give a class named follow button text, and giving a color of white, and a padding value of 5, and we are giving the border radius of 5, okay. Now the third notification type is also finished.